Hi, this is Coffee Engineering, a tool that lets you create AI prompts and easily share them without any coding. Let's get started by creating a new bean. A bean is basically an AI agent that lets you do certain tasks. In this case, I want to create one that recommends a list of 5 movies based on the movie that I'm going to give it. Coffee Engineering thinks of a system prompt that you might want to use. This is fully editable by me, and in this case, I'm going to change it to have a certain shape to the response that the AI gives me. I want it to include the movie name, the year of the movie, and even the director. We have the option to make it a public bean so it's searchable by other users, or we could make it a private bean so it only shows up for me. In this case, I'll go ahead and make it public, and I'll show that functionality in a bit. After it's saved, this is where we can test out our new movie bean. I'm going to enter in the movie name, in this case Inception, and then hit enter. The AI in this case is able to give me the response in the shape that I had requested it. Neat. If I click on this button, this is how we go into what I call big mode. This is what looks like ChatGPT or Claude. And here I can go ahead and continue the conversation by asking it a different movie like The Departed. Again, it's using the system prompt that we had built and generated to give me the response in the shape that I want. I can also share this bean now using this specific URL since I made it public, or by clicking on this share button. If I go to my profile, I can even share this profile link, and my friends or whoever I share it with will have access to all the public beans that I've created, like the movies one, or even a Spanish translation bean since I'm currently learning Spanish. If I open up the movies bean again here, I can right click on the response and click on send response if I want to send this response over to a different bean. In this case, I'll select the Spanish bean that translates English to Spanish. And now you can see on the right hand bean has the English response, and the left hand bean has the Spanish response that it's going ahead and doing for me. I can also select any text and have search options like Google, DuckDuckGo, or in this case, Letterboxd, which is a social network for movies, and I can go ahead and look at things directly from Coffee Engineering. We also have this idea of caffeinated prompts. In this case, this bean is designed to respond either using emojis or optionally hashtags, and it will give me a TikTok video description for the little prompt that I give it. So unlike other AI software, we don't just give you one input prompt, we let you build out your own prompts. In this case, there's a toggle for emojis, and there's even a drop down for whether we want hashtags or not in the response. Coffee Engineering is now available for free in beta. All that I ask is that you give feedback by clicking on the feedback button. Any bugs or feature requests are welcome.